Cam, did the Easter Bunny come see you last night?
Stuck.
You're stuck? Okay, come down the stairs. Let's see if the Easter Bunny came last night. Did the Easter Bunny come see you?
Did you see?
Yeah. Keep his head turned. Oh, too late. Hey.
Hey.
Hey. What's that? What is that? What in the world? Put him down. Go see what the Easter Bunny got you. Hi, sick buddy. Oh. What's all that? Oh. You can eat it. What is that? What's that? Who is that?
Toy Story.
Toy Story. Who is that? Who is that?
Jessie.
Jessie? And who's that?
Bullseye.
Bullseye. Good job, buddy. What's all in your basket? Oh boy, what's that?
Buzz.
Buzz? You got a Buzz plate? What else is in your basket?
This is stuck.
That's bubbles for outside. You sick, buddy? What else you got in your basket?
A chicken plate. Stuck. It's stuck.
Okay, go check out your basket. You're supposed to be in the picture. Go check out your basket. Let's see. You got all sorts of stuff in there. Let's go see.
Mommy, do it.
You do it. It's your basket.
You open it.
That's bubbles. We'll open that outside. Say happy.
Oh.
Cameron. Oh, wow. What's that? What is that?
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
What's up?
No thanks. This is what you're going to eat for breakfast, huh? Say Happy Easter. Cam, say Happy Easter.
Yay.
No. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. You take this.
And put it on the table. Those are jelly beans. What else is in your basket? What else is in your basket? That's your plate.
Juice.
You want some juice? Say bye, everybody. Wait. Say bye, everybody. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Say I love you.
I love you.
I don't know.